Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, December the 12th, 2018. And before we got started, I want to invite you once again to our live trading room Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Here's the link to get into the room. You will need to create your username and password to be able to get into there, but it's hosted by Barry Einerson, and it is a great room. He calls out his trades. We have between 400 and 600 traders in there every day, and it's just loaded with great ideas, and Barry will share a lot of ideas on how the scanners are used, etc., etc. Just a great place to be. And did I mention the greatest thing about it? It is free. It is free. So, hey, hope to see you there. It'd be great to have you in the room. And today we're going to go ahead and go over these markets and see what happened just real quick here. And here we have the spiders. And, we had this big gap up, and then we went up for a best part of the day. Then about 1 o'clock, something happened and the markets reversed and came down. And as you can see here by the daily candle, we closed above yesterday's close, but we closed near lows. So, I'm not sure why we would expect anything different than the volatility we've had, but we've been having these big spreads every day, and today is no different. IWM, same thing. Look at this here. Just gapped up, went up, and closed right at the lows, but yet above yesterday's close. So, is it good or is it bad? Well, we'll have to keep watching and see what happens. The diamonds, we've got that same story all over again. And look at it right there at that 1 o'clock. The markets topped off and then reversed and came down on every one of these major indices we follow. And the Qs, much of the same story. Look at her there. The same 1 o'clock time period. So, that's pretty much your market update. Now let's go ahead and move on to Holly and see how she did today. Our Holly Grail had 11 trades today for a profit of 30 cents. Risk on profit was $1.29. And it's probably no surprise, but her best trade in both categories was a short CORT. Look at this. This stock gapped way up over the last 2 days and peaked out this morning. And Holly says, "Oh, nope, you're a downward dog. Just nothing but a downward dog." And so, she made 50 cents on it on a timed exit. But look at this. Had you held it till the end of the day, $1.58 was your risk on profit. So great trade there. Holly 2.0 lost 36 cents on 12 trades. And on the risk one, lost 62 cents. So she did not do too good, but her best trade was a long, the 5-day bounce. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And she says, I think this thing's going to bounce. She got 41 cents out of it. And had you held till the end of the day, you would have made 35 cents. So pretty good trade with the kind of day it was. But we had another 5-day bounce, and if we look over here, she called out 7 trades today with that strategy, and her win percentage today was 71.4. Overall, her win strategy is 62.5. So just a very nice trade here. She actually hit her stop, lost 25 cents, and then it reversed and went the direction she thought it would originally. Had you held till the end of the day, $1.23 was your risk on profit. So very nice trade on a difficult day. And now finally, and let's go ahead and move these up top. I don't know if there's going to be much to look at, but we're going to move them up anyway. And you can see here we had 21 trades, lost 34 cents. And on the risk on, lost 307. So she had a very difficult time there. Her best trade was Engulf, ENGULF. And I'm sorry, the strategy was Engulf. It was IBOC was the trade there. And, she long got up for a timed exit, 30 cents profit. Had you held till the end of the day, you would have lost 15 cents. Her best risk on trade was... Sorry about that, but the best risk on trade was This drip, D-R-I-P, she actually, once again, she lost 22 cents on it, got out for hitting her stop, and then this was a long trade, and then the trade turned around and ended up making 39 cents had you held till the end of the day. But look at this volatility. So, Holly sure had some problems navigating this crazy market today as well. And now let's go ahead and take a look at our Excel spreadsheet, see how we're doing. We had 44 total trades, lost 40 cents, and lost 240 on the risk on. So this is the first time I can ever remember her losing 2 days in a row in both risk on and risk off. But for the week, 117 trades, 396 is the risk off profit or the profit, and risk on profit, a loss of $6.23. Now, if you want to follow me, you can always do that at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, Twitter, StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate the thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos on YouTube. That way you'll never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.